JIUYIN 11.26-inch car screen is a versatile and feature-packed multimedia navigation system designed for universal car compatibility. With its large 11.26-inch IPS 2.5D touchscreen, it offers a clear and responsive interface, making it easy to access various functions while driving. Running on a Linux system, this device ensures stability and smooth performance for an enhanced in-car experience. One of its key features is wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, allowing seamless integration with Apple and Android devices. Users can access navigation apps like Google Maps, Waze, and Apple Maps directly on the screen, ensuring convenience and safety on the road. The FM transmitting function and Bluetooth 5.0 enable hands-free calls and wireless audio streaming, enhancing entertainment and connectivity. The JIUYIN screen also supports a backup camera, providing an added layer of safety when reversing. Additionally, it comes with multilingual support, including English, Japanese, French, German, Spanish, and more, catering to users worldwide. With its full-fit large screen, modern design, and advanced features, this car radio multimedia player is an excellent upgrade for any vehicle.